Cora, show me how they eat. Cora, show me how they eat. Hey Cora, how do they eat? He's nipping at your toes. You think these birds would like your Tic Tacs? It's okay. It's okay. Whoa!
Whoa! Just hold it out. Hold it out. Just come back.
Tell them easy.
Come on. Come on.
What was that all about?
Felt kind of good. Go get your other stick. Hold it out. No, that one's all gone. Here, come here. Come here. Very nice playing with the peacock. Come on, bird. You gotta hold it in. Hold it all the way right there. Now hold it out. Come on. Come on. You're not coming. Oh, you know what?
Let me see one, Cora.
They're all gone. All the seeds are gone.
Sure enough, they know, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, that's why they said done.
They're all gone.
All right, say bye-bye.